Hello. Today we are going to practice answering how are you? We're going to practice I'm good and I'm bad. First, I'm good. Watch me. I'm good. Now together. I'm good. Again. Repeat after me. I'm good.
Now practice I'm bad. Watch me. I'm bad. Now together. I'm bad. Again. Repeat after me. I'm bad. Good job.